Hello, good morning and welcome. It's an exciting day back at DMC to pick up my new bike. Let's go in and see what's going on. Archie, the top man's just giving it a little wipe down. Complete new world to me, this is. Similar kind of stance to the 690. Quite exciting, quite exciting. Right, let's see what it's like on the road. Let's go see what's going on in here. I'm privy to the back room. Hello, boys. I'm all good, mate. How are you? How you doing, Ol? Hello. How's it going?
All good, mate.
These are the top dogs at DMC. You got Ollie down here, and you got Kev down there on his knees as usual.
As usual.
And Archie pretending to look busy, which he was. He's just cleaned the bike up for him. So how'd you get it? Who PDI'd mine then?
Matt.
So here we have, folks, the new addition to the stable, the 390 Enduro. Yes, Robbie's having a go, or stepping into the Enduro world. I don't know, at the ripe old age that I am. This has been on the, well, it's not been on the cards for a while. It's something that's gone through my head several times, and it's like, now or never, I'm gonna have a go. So we just picked it up from DMC. See the showroom just there. Let's stop the waffle and let's get on. A bit taller. It's probably about the same height as what the 690 was before the kit I had. All the switch gears are different now. Digital screen. That sounds so quiet, so quiet. Round mirrors. It's similar to the Husqvarna, the 701 that I had. Hello. Right. Going to feel a bit ropey as well because of the knobblies. Although these are 50-50 tyres. Oh, those brakes. Have to bed them brakes in. So yeah, this is going to be a completely different ride for me. That's that gear shift is a bit too high. Little 390 engine. Oh wow, that feels, oh Christ. Yeah. Total different ball game. Well, I have been told to swap them out when I do attempt some off-road stuff, but that's a trial and error thing for me. So you will, well, say you will, it's like follow me if you like, steady. Follow me if you will on my journey on the Enduro scene. Nothing's going to change. I've still got the speed triple. That's going nowhere. The same as the 690. I did look at upgrading the 690. Am I shouting? I did look at upgrading the 690 to the new 26 models. Price wise, it just didn't work out. I wasn't getting enough for the 690. Just sail straight for a red light. What an absolute So it rides similar to the 690. I mean, the whole thing is very, you know, the 690 Enduro, the 690 Supermoto, all very similar from a rider perspective. We had the quick shifter added to it. That was the optional extra. That's the only extra that you have to pay for. So visibility on the mirror is ain't too brilliant. They're virtually the same as the Husqvarna 701 mirrors. Cautious about this this front brake. Obviously it needs bedding in. So first impressions, literally only did a couple of miles. It's quite nice. A little bit buzzy, but I'm taking that again through because of the tyres. It's a buzzy little engine. The 690 can be a little bit buzzy, so the dash is nice and clear. It's one of the things I was looking forward to, being able to swap out the 690 for the new 26 was the digital speedo. So some of the stats on this is It's 44 brake. Now I looked, let me digress a little bit. I spent quite a bit of time looking at enduro bikes, the CRF, the DRZ, the KLE, obviously this, the 390, and sort of sitting around about 20. I think the CRF was maybe 27 brake. This one is 44, I believe. It's all a lot different around here since the HS2's been just been put in. Here's now the USB on the side. Yeah, take note, Triumph. You sell an £18,000 bike and you don't even fit a USB to it. I've said that enough times. You've heard me bang on about that loads of times. Actually, thinking about it, I've said the gear shift seemed quite high. I've got those enduro boots now. Maybe that's higher for you're wearing motocross or enduro boots, because those things are great big bulky things.
So folks, that's the ride home. Here it is, my new 390, I was about to say 690 then, my new 390 Enduro R, and I really enjoyed that little ride home. I'm really pleased with this. Excited, apprehensive, new style of motorcycling for me. I can't wait to get it in the dirt. What I'm not looking forward to is dropping it, because we know it's going to get dropped. For me, bikes are clean, it's scratchless, and all that kind of stuff. Yeah, this is going to get, it's going to hurt. Not me, hopefully. I'm so pleased with all the new subscribers. It's amazing. My last video on the exhaust with the variable valve on there, that seems to have done really well. So welcome to all my new subscribers. So there's going to be plenty more Triumph content, plenty more KTM 690, and now 390 Enduro content. Oh, looking forward to it. 2026 is going to be amazing. As always, thank you for stopping by. Thank you for looking and watching my little old channel. Do appreciate it. As always, take care, ride safe.